Welcome back to MEP Basics. Today we want to look at how we are going to lay the conduit lines, to connect these loads, and then also to show what number and what type of cable that we do have in the conduit. So to start off this, I'm going to create a new layer, and again I'm going to say that I have done a video on how to create layers. So if you are not familiar with how to create layers, you can just check out that video in my playlist and you will find that specific video that I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and create our layer. I'm going to type in the command line the command layer, and it's going to open this. Then you see this right here. I'm going to click this, and that is to create a new layer. I'm going to call this conduit E-conduit. I'll change the color to blue. Again, you can choose any color you want. I want the line to be continuous, just as it is, and then I want the line weight to be, let me just say, put it on default. That is that. Let's create another layer called text. I'll use right, and the line weight is going to be default and it's going to be continuous. Now let me double click on the conduit to select that layer, and I'll close it. Alright, so let's start drawing some conduit. So I'll pick a straight line, and then I'll connect this to that. I'll connect this to that. I'll trim this off to have it right here. So we need to connect this to our lighting fixture. So there's a conduit running from here to our lighting fixture. I'm trying to make this video as brief as I can. Connect this to that, connect this to that. Now I'm going to put the living and the dining area on one circuit. Then we'll see how we can layer the rest of them. I'll put this here. I'll add this to that, bring this here. I'll bring this, connect this to the fan, and I'll do this. Very important. I'll trim this part off, trim here, I'll trim here off, and bring this to the edge. So you can see that I don't want this line to cross the fan, so I'm going to rotate this a little bit just to get it off its way. And now we have our first circuit. I can call this whole thing here L1. And let's go ahead and then have a look at what can happen in the bedroom. Now once again, I'll pick this up, and you need to understand that let's look at it from this point. I can see this as L1, and I'm going to put this room right here, the bedroom number 1, the WC, bedroom number 2, okay, and then the corridor. I'm going to put all of them on one circuit. All right, so to do this, I'd like to bring the power, okay, to this particular switch, to this switch. Okay, let me, for the sake of let me just bring this here. Now I don't want to have a lot of things crossing each other, so I need to organize things well. Okay, then I'll bring, first of all, I'll bring the, here will be my starting point. Okay, and so I'll take this to the lighting fixture, do same for this, do same for this. Connect a conduit between these two lights, connect one between this, and then I'll connect this right here. Okay, I just want to center this. Okay, I want to put this in the center. All right, so that is it. And remember, we said that we are going to put the corridor, the WC, the washroom, and the 2 bedrooms on one circuit. So straight away I would want to bring this right here. Okay, I want to, because I need to bring power here. Okay, and I want to move this right and bring it here. Okay, it's that simple. All right, and I'll bring this right here. I'll link this to this, connect this to that, and because we have another switch over here, I'm going to connect this way. Okay, that's very important. Now connect this to that. Again, I want to do this. Okay. I'll bring this right here. All right, so we are done with this bedroom, but we are not done. I need to connect a conduit from here to this. I want to rotate this. And you might want to trim this and keep it that simple. Okay, again, there are many ways you can achieve this, but the point is that we want to maintain a flow from each component within the circuit. Okay, because we are going to run multiple cables to that effect. Okay, that is basically the reason why we are doing this. So yeah, this control is also on this. All right, and I'm going to draw another straight line to connect this to this. Okay, do the right thing here. Okay, and yeah, you can start working on this one as well. Okay, so basically that's how it works. It's nothing too difficult to do. Okay, that for the bedroom number 2 as well. Okay, you can choose to bring this here. Okay, and yeah, like that. So that is L2. We can see this network as L2. Okay, now if you look at how the whole thing is going, it looks like we're going to have 3 lighting circuits. So yeah, then I'll start L3. I'll bring this here, then bring this up here to meet it. Okay, and clean it like that. Right, and I'll just bring this right here. Like this. I want to bring this up. Okay, then right from here I want to connect this to this switch right here. Sorry about that. So because the ladder area, the kitchen, and the external lighting system are also going to be on one circuit. Okay, so it's important to look at it from that point. Connect this to this. Connect this. Or maybe I'll just do this. Yeah, come to this place and connect this to this. Okay, so after this, I can connect this after this. Okay, I want to rotate this. If you don't want to, I do. Just to have some clean. Okay, that's it. Remember we said that the external lighting is going to be part external lighting, and then the entrance is going to be part of the circuit. Okay, so I would want to do this, you know. I would want to bring this right here. Okay, it's a very simple thing that once you get the concept, it's easy to, you know, follow what we are doing. Okay, so you realize that the design process, you simply have to understand how certain decisions are made and why those decisions are made. Okay, then The software is basically going to help you to put your ideas on paper, basically that. Okay, now we said that we want the external lighting also to be part of the network, the line, the L3 circuit. Okay, so I will do this. I'm not talking much because I want to focus and finish the video on time so that I don't end up wasting a lot of time on the video. Okay. Now I'm going to do this. Okay. And connect this light right to this. Let me trim it both. Okay. And I'll connect this light using the conduit. I'll bring this right here. So let me trim this. I'll bring this right here. So if you really understood the mirror function or the mirror command, you can also use it. Okay, it's a very advantageous tool that can help you jump a lot of hurdles. Okay, and that is that. All right, so you can see that clearly. We've shown the conduit lines for all the devices. Okay, one thing I just want to add to spice it up is the fillet. Okay, I just want to bend them because we say this is a conduit. Okay, and you cannot leave the square edges like that. I'm going to use a radius of 100, then I'll work on all of that just to depict what we are saying. Okay, so I'll do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do that, and this, do this. Do this. That. Okay. Now I want to change what I did over. Just do what makes sense to you, okay? And at the end of the day, you're not breaking any rules. That's that. I hope we've been able to deal with almost all of them. I hope so. Let's look at this. Okay. All right, so that is that. Now if you have followed this video closely, you know that by being able to do the conduit work properly, it tells you that you can also manage your circuit when you do your conduit work properly. So now you see we have lighting circuit 1, lighting circuit 2, and then lighting circuit 3. Very, very important. Okay. One thing I want to do is to join all broken lines. So I'll use the join command and then select a source here. And you see that all the broken lines will be joined. Okay. So that's that. So thank you very much for sticking around to go through this video with me. In the next video, we're going to look at how we can add annotations to what we have done. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll see you another time. Bye.